Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations, how to check it out, cloud status on any iPhone device, either it is stolen mode, lost mode, blacklisted, or maybe clear device, only when the previous owner links. So how do I identify? We will see live here. So, as your device says, reported, lost mode, just for everything, just we will come on before unlocking the device, of course, we will come on this website and check it out. There's the IMEI pro.info.coms. Now here, we can see simply we will put a IMEI number, guys. So let's say, and we will click on this and then we will go for check it out. So now see it has started to check it out here. Now we will see here quickly the results. Now that we can see here, this is a yes, find my phone is on. So means locked on a cloud activation lock links is enabled on it. Now status is a very clear, means there is no blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode or reported device. So now that we can see here clearly, it's cloud activation lock status is a clear, but yes, it is find my phones. Yes, is enable means cloud activation lock links is enable on it. Yes, switched on, but no reported, no previous owner reported, particularly with this device. So before purchasing, especially you can go for especially by a similar status to check it out. Yes, if you're the planning to the purchase a second-hand device, then you must check it out, guys. Sometimes, as we know that with the help of jailbreaks, we bypass and we purchase second-hand device, and after erasing or sometimes when the device is rebooted, then it will stack on this cloud activation. So now that we can see here is it is clear, not a reported device. So you can go on this website and also you can go for report your device also. Blacklist is stolen mode, lost mode. If you have lost your device, then directly simply we will have to go on a report a stolen lost mode, and you can go on a fill the IMEI number and go for submit some details, and your device quickly would be especially reported and go in a lost mode. So of course, according to the situation, you must go and visit on this. And this is all about in this website. Thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye bye.